In this video, let's see how to install the Toyota wheel spacers correctly.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Toyota is by installing wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a blade cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers. Then install the matched lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. The key advantage of BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacers when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Toyota wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly roll the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the Toyota wheel spacers, drive slowly back and firm, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.